Felix, I know you're up there. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty. Say cheese. Felix, come on. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, Felix. Come on, kitty. Yeah. Why don't you come on down? Come on, kitty, kitty. Come on, Felix. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm going to try going up another room. Here I come. It's all right. Yeah, don't go running off. Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's a good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. Come on, Felix. Yeah, come on. What a nice kitty. Come on. Come on. Come get. Come to Papa. Come on. Okay, cat's in the bag. That's half the battle. See if we can tie him up. You're in the bag, cat. It's okay. Just hang on. We're heading down the tree in just a minute. Okay. Can you hear me? Oh, I'm going to send the cat down. Remember, don't open the bag till you're in the house. Got him? Great. I'm from the tree. You can see here. Pretty good view up here. There's the top of the house. You're going to use this gree-gree to descend. It is a thing that locks onto the rope. Yeah, you can let yourself down real slow.